So we are solving question from GATE 2011 instrumentation branch. So in this question we are given a transistor and this is an op amp. We are given that base to emitter voltage of transistor is 0.7 volt. This resistance is 33 kilo ohm, beta is 99 and this voltage is 1 volt. So this voltage will also be 1 volt by virtual ground concept. So if we apply KVL from here to this 1 volt, then we get 5 equal to, this current will be IB plus negative. So 33 IB, this voltage is VBE 0.7 volt. So plus 0.7 and plus this 1 volt. So this is the equation. So we will get IB equal to 0.1 milliampere because this 33 is in kilo ohm. So we have found the value of IB. IB equal to 0.1 milliampere. So IE beta is 99. So IE is equal to beta plus 1 IB. So this will be equal to 10 milliampere. So means 10 milliampere current is flowing here. So obviously this current will be 0. So this 10 milliampere current will go here. So if we apply again KVL, so 1 equal to from here to this V naught. So we will get 1 equal to 10 milliampere. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 100 ohm plus V naught. So 1 equal to, this will be equal to 1 plus V naught. So V naught is equal to 0 volt. So the output voltage, value of the output voltage is 0 volt. So in this way we can find the values. And again if you want to know further, then in this question VBE is given as 0.7 volt. So we have already solved the question, but we are doing some further discussion. And this is your ammeter. So ammeter voltage is 1 volt. VE equal to 1 volt and VBE is 0.7 volt. So means base voltage is equal to 1.7 volt. The value of base terminal, base voltage is equal to 1.7 volt. Okay, and this is your collector terminal C. So VC is equal to 5 volt and base is at 1.7 volt. So VCB is equal to 3.3 volt. So this is an NPN transistor. This is an NPN transistor. This is an NPN transistor. So N to P. So C is N and B is P and VCB is positive. So it means collector base junction is reverse bias. Collector base junction is reverse bias. So what VCB positive means that collector base junction is reverse bias because C is N and B is P and VCB is positive. So collector base junction is reverse bias and VBE is positive. So again B is P and ammeter is N. B is P and ammeter is N and VBE is positive. So again we can say that VBE is forward bias. So we can say the transistor is in active region. The transistor is in active region. So in this way we can find the biasing of the transistor also. For NPN transistor, if VCB is positive then it is reverse bias and VBE is positive then base ammeter junction is forward bias. So base ammeter junction is forward bias, collector base junction is reverse bias. So transistor is in active region. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.